I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the bonnet in a Ford Fiesta. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside your car. It's usually on the passenger side, often near the glove compartment or lower dashboard. This lever is typically small and might have a symbol resembling a car with its bonnet open. Pull this lever firmly towards you to disengage the primary latch. You should hear a click as it releases. After pulling the interior lever, the bonnet will pop up slightly, but it won't open fully. This indicates the primary latch has released. Now, you need to find the secondary safety catch. This catch is located under the front edge of the bonnet, often in the center or slightly to one side. You'll need to reach your hand into the gap to feel for it. Once you've located the secondary safety catch, you'll typically need to push it to the side or lift it upwards. While holding this catch, you can then lift the bonnet completely open. Be sure to find the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay, and secure the bonnet firmly in place. This ensures it stays open safely while you work. Always double-check that your bonnet is securely latched before driving to prevent it from flying open. If you ever have trouble, consult your Ford Fiesta's owner's manual for specific instructions, as there can be slight variations between models. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.